Hey, if you're seeing render lag in OBS, yeah, that usually means your GPU is getting overloaded. The good news is this is very fixable. In this video, I'll show you the exact steps to reduce render lag and get smooth performance again. So let's jump in. First, look at the bottom of OBS and check the render lag percentage. If this number is climbing, your graphics card is struggling to keep up. I mean, this tells you right away what's going on. Next, reduce your output resolution. High resolution puts heavy load on the GPU. Go to Settings, then Video, and try scaling down. For example, from 1440p to 1080p. If you're still getting lag, yeah, lower your frames per second. Running at 60 frames per second can overload weaker GPUs. Try switching to 30 frames per second and see if the render lag drops. Here's a big one people miss. If your game is using 100% of the GPU, OBS can't render smoothly. So, limit your game's FPS or enable VSync to free up GPU headroom. Another quick win, and disable the OBS preview when you don't need it. The live preview uses GPU resources. Right-click the preview window and turn off preview to reduce load. If render lag continues, try running OBS as administrator. This helps OBS get proper GPU priority on Windows and often smooths things out. Last step, make sure your graphics drivers are up to date. Yeah, outdated drivers can cause rendering problems. Open your GPU software or device manager and check for updates. And that's it. One of these fixes should eliminate OBS render lag and give you a smooth stream or recording. If this helped, consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick